Hello guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I will show you a very simple tutorial how to close your split view on your Google Chrome. So as you can see, I have these two tabs. I want to close between of one of these. You just click on the right here. As you can see, there is close button, which is a little bit hid. Okay, you just click on that one, and then the right tab will be closed. Also, the left tab, if you want to close it, just press on this close. See, that's cool. Now it's closed. But the thing is, you don't want to close, but you want to make it separate views or to arrange another split view with your current tab or any tab. So instead of close this one, you just go to this one and then click separate views. After it click, it will be separate into two tabs, or you can right click on the split tab and then arrange split view and then spread views. That's how to doing the close your split tab on Google Chrome. So that's it. Very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you said, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.